Hey friends, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can potentially make money just by texting from anywhere across the world. I used ChatGPT to help me find this website, and you can be anywhere. You can be in America, you can be in Europe, Asia, Africa, anywhere. You can still be making this money. So before recording this video, I had to check to this website reviews and see how people are talking about this website, but also to see how trusted this website are, if they're legit or they are just as scam as other websites are. So this is what I found on this review of this website. I love working for Text One-to-One Chat. I can earn great money around my family life. The management are really friendly, and it's like being part of one big family. I couldn't imagine working anywhere better. So this is kind of reviews that I found on this website, and it shows how trusted this website are. And our first website is called CyberFriends. On this website you can start receiving video calls from different people around the world who want you to engage with them. And what you have to do is sign up with this website. After signing up, you would have to update your profile pictures. As you can see on this screen, update your profile picture. After that, you will have to wait for approval. Right after being approved, you have to list down all your interests, and customers will find you through your interest. And when you write this interest, make sure that you write by hashtag, by starting with the hashtag, because it will be more easier for customers to find you through this interest which you have written by hashtags. And this is really easy and really simple, and these are requirements of CyberFriends. Number one, no degrees, no certificate needed, and you have to be over 18 years old when you join this platform. But also you have to be friendly. You will be paid just after talking to these customers or clients from different places around the world. It's easy. You can start now by joining to this website, which is www.cyberfriend.com. Just go there and start making money. Our second website is Texting Factory. The review that I found about this website is that they are very fair and real. The job that you will be given on this website will be answering message to customers depending on what your customer wants. You know, some clients or customers, they just want to talk to somebody about everyday life. It can be about business, it can be about work, it can be about relationship. And on this website you can potentially make more than $300 to $400 per 1 week. That's a lot of money, but you can earn more money, more than $100 if you work really hard. You talk to many people and you'll be more active on this platform, which I encourage you. You can do that just by signing up to this website and start making money. The application just takes like 2 minutes. To read doesn't take like a longer time. You will just have to wait to get approved. After that, you're just going to start and go to make a lot of friends and start making money. The only good thing about this website is no qualifications necessary, but also you just need to have good internet around you. You need to have a laptop, computer or tablet, and you can start making money just by talking and making them feel good. That's the only thing that you need to have. But also the most important thing, you just need to be fluent in English language, because a lot of people are speaking English language. So that's it. You can join now and start making money. And our next website is called Chat Recruit. On this website you get paid for adult talking. Let's say that you find somebody on the internet on this platform and starting talking to him or starting to talk to her about other things, and you get paid just by doing that. And the average payment per hour is $21, which is a reasonable amount of money, and you can just keep working really hard more than 10 hours per day, and you can earn more than $200 per 1 day, which is a lot of money for you to keep just talking about other things. And the other thing about this website, you need to have more than 18 years old for you to join to this website. Friend PC. This is a website that pays you to chat or talk to clients or members of this website. So on this website you can actually choose a rate, so people can choose you depending on your rates, how much you're charging them by talking to you or by providing service to them. And it's really easy. Just go to this website and sign up. You you can get paid just by talking. I want to tell you one thing about this website is that you can possibly make more than $1,000 in just 1 month, just depending on how many people are you willing to talk to, how many people will find your service interesting. The more good service you provide to these website members, the more you get a lot of customers. They will just keep coming to you. So I encourage you to start right now. It's really easy. Just go to this website, sign up, and just keep making money. It's really easy. Go for it. Our next website is called Friendly. On this website, you get paid by building a really relationship online. The good thing about this website is that you're just going to chat and video call, whatever you can do, but you don't plan on meeting. There is no meeting on this website. And right now many people are afraid to engage with this website because they really don't want to meet strangers. So the good thing about this website, you will just keep talking to them and acting like lovers, but you really don't have to meet each other. You really don't have to meet one another. So this one good, and you can possibly make more than $40 to $60 per 1 hour. Just imagine that you're going to work for more than 8 hours per day. That means that you're going to make more than $260 or $240 per 1 day, and by the end of the week you will generate a lot of money, more than $1,000 per 1 week. I recommend you to start this one because you can get this kind of money just within 1 week, and the only thing that you have to do is stay at your home, chat with these people, chat with different people around the world, and you really don't have to meet with them. It's just a video call and audio call. That's it. Our next website is a text one-to-one chat. On this website, you can get paid by talking or chatting to clients. And on this website, there are more than 2 jobs on this website. Number 1 is bilingual operators. If you can write and speak in another language other than English language, they can offer you a job on this platform, which is text one-to-one chat. But also the other job is operator jobs. On this job, you are required to master the art of texting and the art of calling. This is what we call operator jobs. And the other one is adult phone service. On this category, you can chat with clients about adult things, every stuff about adult, and you're supposed to be more than 18 years old when you join this platform. So I hope you can make money through this platform, and you can make starting $10 per 1 hour and more. Hey friends, I want to tell you one thing about you starting making money through this website just by texting. I know you've been watching this type of videos for a really long time, how to make money just by texting, but you never tried, you never take action on how to do this. So I want to encourage you, take this moment for you and go to Google, keep researching, keep thinking about how can you start, how can you apply to this website and start making real money. You really don't have to waste your time watching this video again. And I want to tell you one thing, that if you keep watching these videos but you never take any action on how you can make real money just by texting, you will never get that kind of money, because you just keep watching these videos, you just keep motivated, but you never put that into action. So I want to encourage anyone who is watching this video. I know you've been watching these videos for a really long time now, but you really never take action. But I want to tell you one thing, you don't have to say this is hard, you have to try it. Of course, it's not overnight success. It will take some time. It will take 1 week, it may take 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or 1 month, 2 months, who cares? The only thing that you have to do is to try to make this kind of money. Because I was reading different reviews about this website, and some websites that I've mentioned on this video, they are legit and you can make like real money. So go ahead and try it. You don't have to say tomorrow, you don't have to say you're going to try this next week or next month. This is your time. This is your chance to start do it right away. Thanks so much. I hope you're going to do this. My name is Hans David, and I'm so grateful for you to watch my videos. Thanks so much, and see you